Hey guys, today we'll show you how to change the striker and trigger springs on a CZ457. I'm going to be using a CJ manufacturer spring kit from our website, but this video applies to other manufacturers as well. First of all, make sure the chamber is empty. We'll start with the striker spring, so you'll need to remove the bolt. Make sure the bolt is in the uncocked position. Press on the end cap and remove the pin with a pointy tool of your choice. Then slowly release the cap. Our spring set includes a new cocking indicator that you can replace. However, if you'd like to keep the original one, you'll probably need to sand it down a little bit as it's just slightly too big for the new spring. Now put everything back together. Place the end cap on, push it in and reinsert the pin. Don't forget to cock the bolt before you put it back. Now for the trigger spring. First, we need to remove the action and barrel from the stock. Unscrew these two screws, remove the trigger guard and take off the stock. Next, we have to hammer out this trigger pin. Now take your punch and mallet and carefully hammer out the pin. It might take a while since the pin is very tight. Once the pin is out, simply remove the trigger, replace the spring and put everything back together. Now place the action back into the stock. Reinstall the trigger guard and tighten the screws to spec. And that's it. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more and I'll see you next time.